In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to favorite a domain on Cloudflare. If you manage more than a couple of domains, favoriting is a simple way to keep your most important sites front and center. It adds a visual star to the domain and makes it quicker to find in your list, so you can jump straight into DNS, security, or performance settings without scrolling. First, open your Cloudflare account. Use your preferred browser and head to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the list of domains you manage. If your view looks different, make sure you're on the main websites area where your domains are listed in rows or cards. Next, choose the specific domain you want to favorite. Look for the three-dot menu associated with that domain. On the row view, you'll usually find it on the right side of the domain's line. On card views, it may appear as a small three-dot icon on the card itself. This menu is Cloudflare's Quick Actions panel for that domain. Click the three dots to open the menu. In that menu, find and select Star Domain. The moment you click it, Cloudflare marks that domain as a favorite. You should see the star icon appear or fill in next to the domain name, confirming the change. There's nothing else you need to save. This action takes effect immediately. What does favoriting actually do? Favorited domains are easier to spot visually, and depending on your view, they can be filtered or surfaced so you can reach them faster. This is especially handy when you have a long list of domains and need to return to the same few over and over. If you ever change your mind, just open the same three-dot menu again and click Star Domain one more time to toggle it off. A few quick tips to make this smoother. You can favorite more than one domain, so consider starring any production sites, active client projects, or domains you monitor daily. If you don't immediately see the star, refresh your dashboard view to make sure the interface updates. And remember, favoriting is purely an organizational aid. It doesn't change DNS, security, or traffic behavior for the domain. That's it. Open your Cloudflare account, click the three dots on the domain you care about, and choose Star Domain. With that, your domain is now favorited and ready for quick access whenever you return to your dashboard.